Hello everybody, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech. A couple of months ago, this band, the adapter broke on it. And I really love this band and I want to fix it. And so I finally got the adapters and everything that I needed to get it fixed. And so we're gonna do that right after this. So I have the watch band that the adapter got loose. This is what I want to show you today is the two types of adapter that these Apple watches have on that. So I got the two here. One, I got this one from Love It. Let's just Love It. And this is the one with the bar, the double bar here. And then this one is from Wherlizer. Anyway, it's a watch adapter. And these are the two different types of watch adapters for the for the Apple Watch. And I'm going to show you here. Okay. This one here has the, it's a one full piece here, as you can see. Let's see if we can get you to focus here a little bit here. It's one full piece. It has the spring bars that go along with it, all right? And then you have these others. And let me open, this one's from Love It. All right, let me put these all together. And then this I have to be extremely careful because it has these little fine screws here as well. These have the bar right here, and it has these screws right here that you have to unscrew to then put into the band. Now that's what this has right now. We're going to now move. Now with this we have to, all right, let me take this band here and just kind of this has a little locking mechanism here, and this metal part has to go on the I'm going to call this the back side, and this is the front side. All right, this has like a little mechanism that when you push, it locks in. See, it locks in into the little locking mechanism that we have here. So with that said, we got to make sure that the rubberized part of this is on top. See, so we're going to have that right here like this. All right, so what we're going to do here, we're going to take this out. All right, here we go, and we're going to, one goes in here in that fashion, see? In this fashion. The other one goes in this in this fashion. Okay, so they both go in like that. Okay, you got that. And then we're going to bring it in this way. Well, let's lock one in, and then we can lock the other one in. Okay, here we go. Okay, all right. So we're through. We're going to going to take this out. Okay. And then we're going to put this one in. Here, got that. And then we're going to put that one in. There, that's got that. So that's a good fit there. Nice band. Look at that. Guys, if you like this video, give me some likes, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. You could also look me up at Twitter and Instagram at excel2tech. I also have a website at excel2tech.com that shares a little bit more insight on these videos that I do here. All right? So, appreciate you, and I'll see you around on the next video.